I will perform practical of dual function. To do that, I will press mode and press right to get to ADV group. Next, I will scroll down to ADV number 20. We remember from last video that we need to define a level to hold the frequency. So I will set here 10 Hz and press enter. Next, we remember from previous video that once the frequency level is defined, we need to program VFT for how long we are going to hold that frequency level. So I will set here 5 seconds. Now similar to acceleration, we need to set in deceleration event 2. So I will keep 5 Hz holding frequency during deceleration, and I will set the interval to 3 seconds. Next, I will come out to the main screen. I will set the target to 20 Hz and I will start. So it's ramping and it reached 10 Hz and it will keep that way for 5 seconds. And next it continue its course to 20 Hz. Now during deceleration it should stop at 5 Hz for 3 seconds. And it held for 3 seconds and now it came back to 0.